How to opt out of training in Claude AI 2026 full guide. Did you know Claude AI uses your conversations to train its future models by default, unless you manually turn it off? If you care about your privacy, this 2-minute guide shows you exactly how to opt out right now before another chat gets used as training data. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm walking you through how to opt out of AI training in Claude in 2026. This policy applies to all free, pro, and max personal accounts regardless of subscription level, and the training option is enabled by default, so you need to actively disable it. Let's get it turned off in under a minute. Step 1. Open Claude and access your account settings. Click your profile icon or name, usually found in the bottom left sidebar, to open your account menu. Step 2. Navigate to Privacy Settings. From the account menu, open Settings and then navigate to the Privacy Settings section. This is where all of Claude's data and training controls are located. Step 3. Find and disable the training toggle. Locate the setting labeled Help Improve Claude inside Privacy Settings. This controls whether Anthropic uses your conversations to train AI models. Switch the toggle off and confirm the change if prompted. That's it, your future conversations are now excluded from training. Step 4. Understand what this covers. Both regular chats and coding sessions are included in the training policy. Old conversations only become training data if you reopen them. Your complete chat history isn't automatically included, only conversations you access after the policy change. Step 5. Know who is automatically exempt. Commercial, government, and educational account users are automatically exempt. Enterprise accounts aren't affected by the policy, and conversations from these users won't be used for training. This opt-out is only needed for standard personal accounts. Here's your pro tip. Anthropic retains your data for up to 5 years whether or not you opt out of training. So for maximum privacy, combine the training opt-out with using incognito mode inside Claude, which prevents your conversations from being saved to your history at all. Two settings together give you the strongest privacy protection available on the platform right now. And that's it, how to opt out of AI training in Claude in 2026 in just a few taps. Settings, Privacy, turn off Help Improve Claude, and you're done. The setting takes effect on all new and resumed conversations going forward, so the sooner you do it, the better. If this helped you protect your privacy, hit that like button and subscribe for more Claude tips every week. Drop a comment below. Did you know this setting existed? See you in the next one.